another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep at the bong bong bong. Your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fe, omo te chogade. Fine fine, no bagate. Watch your love for like it. Why not more te? Your body, chakare. Bush it.
KK squad, good morning. Today is July 12th. We are heading to the airport. We are heading to Sint Maarten for my birthday trip. We're about to head out. I'm waiting for Ian. Yeah, Sint Maarten. We're going to Sint Maarten, St. Bart's, Anguilla. Hopefully I pronounce them right, but you know my accent is strong.
So why world can better? See man over there, son, look where man on there. Look where man on there. And see man over there, son.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. With the bitches, I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Fancy though. We made it to KFC, our first stop after the airport. They have a drive-thru. Fancy.
It's a nice little.
It looks nice.
Some type of reimbursement.
Right, something, yeah. Because we don't know how long water coming back. Just got to the Airbnb. Was told there's no water, no Wi-Fi. So we're just like here wondering what's next.
It's nice, but it's inconvenient.
Yeah, I think they're both the same size. Yeah. But we're out here at the beach. Coconuts. I picked 2 coconuts.
You want this room in the point? I'll go to all out.
Wait, what do you mean?
I'll go to all
I
out.
might get your money back, bro.
I get
This
Oh, it must have a
you
money.
saw how much we paid for this, bro. This is your discount.
Do I want to know how much?
If you know what you want.
It's a nice Airbnb, but how it's set up, there's one bathroom downstairs, right? As you can see, the bathroom is big, but there's like one bathroom downstairs, one bathroom upstairs, and the 2 bedrooms upstairs too. So it's like, what? I don't know. But you have a mirror. Like I said, it's one room here. It has the beach view out here. Yeah. So yeah, we just gotta roll with the punches. Let's see how long this water is gonna take. Or like I said, there's another. So the bathroom is in between both rooms. Yeah.
Here?
Oh, this is where they have.
This is where all the water stuff's at.
Exactly.
Jordan,
Oh,
Ian,
see the screw there.
come here. Come here.
Look like
I was
Eden.
just showing you that this is probably where all the water connections are. I don't know what to touch, so.
Oh no, we gotta watch this off now.
So we decided to take a walk. We have a rental, but we decided to take a walk in the village. That's what they call it, the village, to get some adapter, because the plugs here is completely different from the plugs in the US. So we are not able to charge our phone, so now we have to find adapters, unfortunately.
You know you bad when you can post from any angle. Push it, click.
Alright guys, so we just left the food truck. I didn't even record the food truck, but the food was really good. Now we're here at Sandbar. Man, a piece of rain come down a while ago out of nowhere, and we are like a little so we get dry, but that was crazy. But anyways, we are at Sandbar. We're gonna see what they have here. It's really a sandbar. It's actually sand. That's so cool. I would come here in the daytime. Okay, it's nice here. So I got my lychee martini, but I ate my lychee. I forgot. I'm gonna insert a picture. We got some new thing, rum punch. What's that? Some frozen drink? Oh, fancy. Oh gosh. So it's the next morning. We woke up, and by the way guys, I need to update. It's so much to update you guys on. We got another Airbnb, so now we end up with 2 Airbnbs by the same host. They gave us both keys because the Airbnb from yesterday didn't have water, but this one has water. But this is still a nice view. This is nice out here. So we're heading to breakfast now and the beach. I'll give you more details later on. We're rushing a little bit. I got it. Yeah, I forgot grab the gate. But we are heading out. And this is the rental that we got.
What's up?
No, but everybody love it. Like when them go dinner and stuff. Yeah.
I have grapes smeared up.
What's it?
Root
Sorry, something.
So,
Can't take a couple.
That much, but not even.
this have weed in it?
It says corny goat. Yeah. Yeah, let me get a key there real quick. Yeah.
So we're here at Rosemary Seafood Creole Cuisine. Here to get some breakfast.
Oh, yeah, we get the
I get the sawfish and Johnny cake. The same thing you get? Oh no, what that fish? My. I fear that's not here. Snapper. My. Sawfish. Yeah. Looks good. Alright, made a quick stop out here. Right, then just run out and run over there.
Where do we go? You can't go there.
Hey, bro. You see, Ian and I realized their personality is similar. But just I realized, yes, unruly. Then we just live on the edge.
After them put up the rope or sign.
But there was a big puddle that say you couldn't cross it.
Oh, but that's what I said.
Yeah. Who him? William Henry Bell. It's not even showing on camera how blue this water is. Like, it's crazy. This is beautiful. Wow. Clean my camera. This is blue water. Alright, finally made it to the beach. Drinking a rude boy. Clean. Oh, me not
Over here, so stay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So over the stay. Literally, sand everywhere. You never used to see rock.
Wait, are you so to stay and seaplane? What? Come on, boat. Come. Wait, what Ian see when you say Oreo? What?
I just don't want to be here when it's on the plane taking off, okay? I'm not trying to get blown over.
Oh, that we are? Oh, there it is. We're right at the land. Oh, wow. Oh, shit, no, this is low, man. Let me sit down. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Get me like a rum punch. And another plane them coming in. Maybe a video Ian egg balance.
Small fleet that fly in, because I guess they're coming from other carriers that don't have a lot of increase.
That's a jet?
Massage today, feet massage.
No, thank you.
That's the session, right?
Oxtail.
Oh, you get oxtail.
18 ounce or 16 ounce. Exactly.
And
exactly.
I got curry kong. Ian got the same thing. He's waiting for his curry kong. Oh, you get? Oh, maybe they're years later.
Skunk.
It's actually Ian got rice and peppers.
Yeah, that's skunk.
Bueno. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
If you need anything,
Oh, yeah.
You're more than welcome to join us for the party downstairs.
Oh, sounds good. Alright. What time?
11.
11? Okay, perfect.
And what we can do is you can have dinner downstairs as well. It's just the music that's down. Yeah. So it's really up to you.
Alright, well, yeah. We're good up here. Yeah. Thank you. Well, you don't want that view there?
This would be good. Yeah, for 4, are you sure? No, we're good.
Alright, so everybody got them drinks. We're at this bar slash restaurant. It's very nice here on the water. Literally on the water, and then downstairs right now is a club. They playing soca music. Oh, by the way, this place is called Rainbow Cafe. Alright, I got my codfish fritters. They forgot my fries, so I'm waiting for my fries. And got snapper. She got some truffle pizza over there. And what you got? A sandwich? A burger. Oh, burger. Okay.
Somebody said Mose?
Was it? Yeah, we are missed out on all of the fun things. Yeah. Right. So so we're not going to the next country tomorrow. We're going the next day after, because tomorrow's holiday here and we're gonna miss out. Wait, wow. Good morning, KK squad. It's the next day. It's morning time. Oh shoot. Yeah, so it's the next morning. Last night was a lituation. We went to 2 different parties. We went to a beach party. Plus, you know, it was lit last night. It was so much fun. Like, I'm bad at this vlogging thing because I'm trying to enjoy the moment, but yeah, so now we're gonna get breakfast and stuff, just walk outside. As you can see, yeah, we're outside on the beach and them just get coconut. It's going to be a fun day, so just come along the journey. We were supposed to go to Anguilla today, but because it's a holiday here in Sint Maarten, it's July 14th. It's one of their France Bastille holidays, so we said let's just stay in Sint Maarten for today and then we go to Anguilla tomorrow, which today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, July 15th. My birthday is Wednesday, July 17th. So just come on along the journey with me, guys. I'll be getting clips for you guys and thing. Yes. So I'm here at my hot cocoa, fried fish.
Y'all get lemons today?
Oh yeah, at rosemary. Well,
I'll take it.
Give it to whoever wants.
I'll take it.
Yeah, take her avocado. She's allergic. Damn it.
yeah, and then take that grilled fish. And I got fried potato, tomato.
There's nothing but water.
I'm pretty straight.
Want me to
You need one? You need one without the view of the car?
Oh wait, you're recording or?
Oh, to go down? Oh my bad. I forget, I'm not a videographer.
So we stop at this shopping mall. Gonna get some fruits. Oh. Fruits and veggie.
Oh, I see what you mean about the next road now.
Oh, there's another road. Alright, we're here at Mullet Bay Beach. Not yet. Now go with my coat though. I didn't wear any bath suit today because I didn't know we were stopping at the beach. I mean, I knew, but I didn't know we were swimming. But look how clear this water is, yo.
Oh, you say my skirt, tequila sick like flow, line chop food. Lifestyle too rich, too rich.
One Love Exodus Juice Bar. One Love. Yeah, wait, is it just
Soursop and coconuts.
So Ian got soursop and coconut tropical mix. Cheers!
You want that tongue from your brother, right?
Come guys, let's cheers.
Do you boomerang?
No, just right there. Alrighty.
Movements. To the left.
That must smell.
Raspberry vanilla brownie sorbet. It's actually
What is?
sweet. I have no idea.
Oh. gonna just get a croissant. No, yeah, for sure. So that's why. Exactly. Oh, menu over here, sir? Yeah, may I get one croissant? So I get the caramel, iced coffee, plus the pistachio croissant, and Ian got a sandwich.
Because it was $39 a pound.
And we're back in St. Maarten and we're at Skip Jack's. It's a seafood restaurant. So that means I want big old thing. One lobster get where? One lobster get where?
She's holding that.
Oh. What in here, sir? No, I know, I see that, but look here, sir. That's what I ask.
No way it is a real chicken.
Exactly. We see lobster then, but me I look right. Oh. That's. I don't have time for that. Me not have time for that, my dear. Watch it. Go it up, flap. Damn. For drink, we got some Mai Tai drink.
These two girls put it in the
Everybody gets the Mai Tai.
relax, ready? You got the wrong thing, bro.
Yeah, get crab cake, and when we get for appetizer, what's that?
I think it's fun fritters.
Funk fritters.
Thank you. Alright.
Creole, pineapple sauce, black Josephine sauce.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, good man, make it
We're heading to Fort St. Louis. But we have to stop and get this view. Well, park. We park. This view is beautiful. Beautiful St. Maarten. We're on the French side right here. The French side of St. Maarten. Damn. 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 Made it to Fort Louis. Whew. This is the view you get on top of Louis Fort. Catching my breath. Oh, for real. You look rich, you see building them? Real rich.
Let's see if I can take a panoramic. That's what I was seeing way over there.
That's crazy. Which one we just see where it's St. Maarten? Oh, right there.
I see. So you really can see the other Caribbean islands on a really clear day.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. boat to go. But let me see. Let me zoom in on them and see who. See everybody on it. You not find it? Find it.
That's
right next to the
Maho.
airport. Okay.
That's Maho.
Maho or
Is it
Maho?
Maho.
No, that's Combs Bay.
Oh, so Maho there behind it then.
That's
Oh, car bump too. Oh, they have speed bump along the way. So.
Yep, so you can't even go down quick.
Wait, that's the airport right there, son?
Yeah.
No, so that's Simpsons Bay.
Okay. Oh, on this side of the airport is Simpsons Bay, okay.
Yeah, that's Simpsons
And on the right
Bay. 'Cause
side
I was,
is, yeah.
I was trying to figure out if that was the airport right next to it. Bomba could have plane
It's so fast that shit take
You
off.
saw that shit move?
And turn right.
Damn. That's
When we
wild.
dip on it seems so slow, but that shit
Slow.
moves so fast, it's ridiculous. This is pretty cool.
There's like 3 cars behind us. We're here just touring.
Them can't come down any quicker.
That's true. That is not gonna fly off.
It's the road.
Not a speed bump.
Oh!
You never see that, bro?
He needs some milk. We have a speed bump right
And the speed bump that big too. Jesus Christ.
Why is there even
Not a one right there.
Yo, the transmission ball out just to go out. You hear that? She go, ah. Then she put them something in a yellow.
Thank you.
I mean, they kind of were in yellow. Them just look at them wash out. Them need paint over. But this one next one here again.
That's all I know.
That was actually fun to drive.
So I guess the people them can come up to them place right here and then that's
And
it.
then that's it because he said right here.
Eric Canada tried to go with me and just facing speed bump.
Should I make him blind? Make him flag. Make him flag along. Alright, we're gonna make a left down at the bottom.
Those kids are so nice.
Where you do?
Somebody get them for everybody. You know I'm washing them off first?
No, watch your twin one.
But it's one thing.
She quit girl the twin. She said yes. She said yes. Oh, hold on for that twin in there. Big dog.
Right? Guinea. Guinea pig.
New person, we gotta go somewhere else. And then the new person, them had original same road suspect.
Back at the Grey Bay Beach. What's up? With no care.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, hello.
Don't leave this time.
We need an umbrella?
Reggae roots. Alright. Water still clean and pretty. Right, also.
Must can give it 2 chairs and an umbrella, man.
Alright, I'll get umbrella and 2 chairs into earlier.
That's the Corico roti. What?
I don't think this is the...
This is what? That's not the entrance? Oh. Okay. sexy too.
I ain't gonna lie. This
Right, yeah, match your shirt.
Very crispy. This is like exactly, yeah.
It's my birthday. Oh, we're gonna pass it.
I was just wondering if it was because I was so yeah, but I don't know.